Hi, hello, welcome to Suchi Talks 2020. Last video I have explained you about online tutoring websites for all subjects. In this week or in this video I have another interesting topic which is related to online tutoring, but this time it's mainly for people who have programming or coding background. So it's nothing but teaching online coding to kids. So we all know kids at their earlier stage itself or earlier age itself, they know how to operate a computer or laptop or play games very easily. So keeping them in mind, some of the edutech companies, they have come up with some of the programs like teaching coding to younger age of kids starting from age 6 to 15 years old. So because of this, there are some benefits also learning coding from their younger age. Some of them are like their logical thinking, problem solving skills and creativity improves. So these kind of programmings, generally it's a block based programmings and visual based drag and drop kind of options. So it will be very easy for the kids to learn. So the main prerequisite for you to become a tutor, coding tutor, is number one, you have to be you have to have good communication in English. Number two, you have to have basic coding knowledge. So these two are primary prerequisite. Other than that, there are some specific prerequisite for Whitehair Junior and some are for Vedantu. So we will just move on to see the details about what is their job description, prerequisite, qualification and how their interview process will be. Because for Whitehair Junior, the interview process will be a tremendous process. They have a rigorous interview process actually. So I will explain you all those things with the interview tips also. We will see Whitehair Junior's interview process now. We will talk about their job description, qualification, demo tips and interview process. So for the job description, you have to teach for the kids between 6 to 15 years old, and strictly they are looking for female coding teacher. Mostly it is one-to-one basis. And about the qualification, you should have prior coding knowledge in any of these programmings like Java, Python, C, SQL, Objective-C, C#, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, and your educational qualification could be BTech, BCA, BSc IT, MTech, MCA, MSc IT. And the schedule for taking the classes, like in the weekdays, Monday to Friday, you have to be available between 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and in the weekends you have to be available anytime, because weekend will be they will be receiving many requests or many students, and so that the schedule will be more for weekends. And the prerequisite for taking classes would be like you need to have a laptop or computer with broadband connection, and you should have good command over English, and the weekly you need to dedicate weekly 30 hours and monthly 120 hours. So freshers can also apply. And some of the benefits for this program is like it's a flexible work hours and work from home option, and the salary can start from 30,000, and you will be trained by top Indian educators, and you will receive early childhood coding expert certificate after you complete 3 months working with them. And I would like to give you some demo tips. Actually, you will have 3 demos. So I will generally I would like to give some general tips like what kind of things they will be expecting. So the interviewer will expect perfection in communication, explanation, teaching, and more interaction, patience and passion. So what you need to follow throughout all these demos are like you have to follow the sequence to explain the content whatever is given in the PDF, and have a warm smile throughout the session. Imagine the interviewer is like a student, and you need to interact with them very often by questioning them or just asking them whether they are understanding the concepts whatever you are explaining. And also one more thing, you need to strictly finish the demo within 30 to 45 minutes as mentioned in the PDF file. So you need to practice and rehearse very well before you go for the demo. Basically in all the 3 demos you need to follow the instructions and activities given in the PDF. The PDF itself is self-explanatory. And there are 3 levels actually they categorize, and they are like basic, intermediate and advanced. So based on the levels, the demo related PDF file will be sent to you. So these are the steps for the recruitment process. Step 1, you will be submitting your video application. Step 2, you will be receiving a live interview call, and basically they will be checking about your academic and career background. They may ask, tell me about yourself, or why do you want to join White Hat Junior. And there will be technical requirement related questions like you have laptop, broadband connection, those kind of things. So after completing this live interview, after 1 day or so, you will be receiving one video call to verify the quality of audio, video and broadband connection. So the other side, one person will be sitting and verifying or checking all these things. End of it, there will be a small orientation about how to use their interface for teaching. After clearing step 1 and step 2, you will be moved into step 3, and there will be 3 demos. Demo 1, basically these demos are live, and in demo 1 there will be a PDF file sent, and you need to go through them as I have given the tips in the demo tips, and take an online session to the interviewer. There will be some teachers activities mentioned in the PDF file, like how to create an account in code.org, changing the background color of the screen, or how to share screen to the kids, how to make it full size screen. And they may ask questions like what is programming language, difference between label and text box, likewise. So after you successfully complete demo 1, you will be moved on to demo 2, and in demo 2 also you will be receiving a PDF file and one video file. And in the video file you will have a trainer taking class in the video, and you need to just follow them how they are taking the class. And in the PDF file they would have given app or gaming script in JavaScript or Python for demo. So basically you have to practice them, and you need to have a hands-on also in the code.org or any other software they are mentioning, and practice them well, so before going for session. So they will be asking questions related to that gaming or app script. So after that you will be once you are selected in demo 2, you will be moved on to demo 3. In demo 3 also there will be a PDF file, and this time also they may give app or gaming script. So they may ask questions from JavaScript or Python related technical questions as well, apart from the app or gaming script related questions, and you need to explain them with real-time examples also. So once you successfully complete this demo 3 and demo 2, you will be moved on to step 4. Basically after completing the step 3, you will be moved on to step 4, and in the step 4 also they will be doing another round of technical check to verify the broadband connection download and upload size. So after clearing this step 4, you will be moved on to step 5. In step 5 you will be on board with White Hat Junior, and they will be providing a training on their curriculum. We will see the recruitment and interview process of Vedanta now. They have the job description like you have to teach for the kids studying in grade 1 to 6, and there is no restriction on gender, so men also can apply here. So the qualification for the teaching coding is like you need to have coding knowledge, basic coding knowledge is required, and anybody with teaching passion can apply. So they are looking for working professions, housewife and students also. So the schedule for taking the classes would be like between 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. you have to be available on all days except Sunday. So the prerequisite is like you should have laptop or computer with broadband connection, and you need to work for monthly 120 hours, and you should have excellent coding skills, and you will be teaching fundamentals of programming. Basically those programmings are like block based codings. So now the recruitment process is like in step 1 you need to submit your application. After that in step 2 initial screening will be done, and experts will go through your profile and choose it. And in step 3 there will be a demo and with two rounds, And in round 1 you have to do a story narration. Actually you need to pick a topic of your choice and demo to experts by sending it in a video. So you can choose one story with a moral and use hand gesture and voice modulation at the maximum. And you have to have a good communication skill. In round 2 they will send one demo file, PDF file, and in that they will have all the explanation, and they might ask questions with related to programming concepts, fundamentals and programming structures. For example, like looping concepts or the programming structure kind of questions. So after clearing step 3, you will be on board with them, and there will be a training on their curriculum. So from step 5 you can start taking your first online session with them. Hope the information I have presented here will be useful to you. So practice well and attend the interviews. All the best. With this I am ending my today's topic. I'll come up with another topic in my next video. Until then, it's me Suchi signing off from you all. Bye bye.